In this video, we are going to see how to fix Awkward's unhandled exception error. First step, click Settings, click App Settings, click Install App, scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. If you're having the older version, means you need to go to the official website of Microsoft, download and install the latest version. This is the official website. Download and install the latest version depends on your device. If you're having the latest version, means you need to click the three dot icon, click Modify and click Repair. Do it for both 64 and 86-bit. Once complete after, close it. Then move on with next step. Search for device manager, click it. Click display adapters and check the drivers. Once checking after, you need to go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. Depends on the device, it may vary, so you need to check first. After, go to the official website, download and install it. That is one method. Another method, you need to right click and click update drivers and update the drivers. These are the two methods. Once complete after, move on with next step. Search for advanced system settings, click it. Click advanced, under performance click settings, click advanced, under virtual memory click changes, enable automatic manage paging file size for all drivers, click OK, click apply and OK and click restart now. Once the restart complete after, move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Click allow an app of features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Steam and Arc Rider. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled, means you can enable it. If the application itself not having, means you need to add the application. And move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text. Check your computer for memory problems. Click restart now and check for problems. Once the restart complete after, move on with next step. Open run and type the following text. Clean MGR, click OK. Select the drive. Select the files you are going to delete. And click view files if you are not aware of, means. Then click OK and click delete files. Next step, click settings. Click system settings. Click display settings. Scroll down. Under scale and layout, you need to set the scale and display resolution. Recommended depends on your device. Click graphic settings. Scroll down and search for Steam and Arc Rider. Open it. The GPU preferences depends on your device. You can set the preference, but the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. If the application not having, means you need to add the application. Click add button and add the application. Go to C drive and add it. Then move on with next step. Click settings. Click privacy and security settings. Click Windows security. Click virus and threat protection. Click protection history. Check anything related to Arc Rider or Steam was blocked. Check it. Thank you.